Apple has refreshed its iPad Pro range of premium tablets with a number of upgrades. Let's take a quick look. The all-new iPad Pro sports a 11-inch and 12.9-inch LCD ProMotion Liquid Retina display panels with rounded corners using pixel masking technology that is used in the iPhone XR. Both models are about 5.9mm thick. Both models are powered by the company's latest in-house Apple A12 Bionic 7nm SoC, which has an 8-core CPU and a 7-core GPU. The iPad Pro now comes with up to 1 TB of inbuilt storage. The iPad Pro 2018 models get a neural engine in the A12X Bionic chip. This allows for the implementation of machine learning to help you access UI elements and apps in an enhanced manner. Face ID is new to the iPad Pro series in 2018. It is enabled by the True Depth camera housed on the tablet's top bezel. It brings support for Animoji and Memoji, and it works in both portrait and landscape mode. The iPad Pro 2018 models come with support for iPhone X-like gesture navigation due to the departure of the home button. This is also the first iOS device to sport a USB Type-C port for charging, data transfer, and external connectivity. Additionally, the iPad Pro can act as a power bank and charge your iPhone using a USB Type-C to Lightning cable. There is a 12-megapixel rear camera sensor with improved True Tone LED flash and support for 4K video recording at 60 FPS on the new iPad Pro. The premium tablet now claims to offer a 10-hour battery life and comes with a bundled 18-watt power adapter. As for audio, the new iPad Pro models come with 4-speaker setup that houses 2 woofers and 2 tweeters, offering wider stereo sound. The second generation Apple Pencil comes with a brand new design and now attaches magnetically to the new iPad Pro. It automatically starts charging wirelessly when connected. A new iPad Pro folio case has also been launched that protects both the front and the back of the tablet. Also new is a refreshed Smart Keyboard folio with a simple, thin and light design. Both the iPad Pro 11-inch and 12.9-inch variants will be sold in 64GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1 TB storage options. The 11-inch model will start at 71,900 rupees in India, while the 12.9-inch variant gets a starting price of 89,900 rupees. The iPad Pro will be available in the US from November 7. India is not amongst the first wave of launch countries, but instead Apple has said that it will launch it here later this year. So that was our first look at the new iPad Pro. For more in tech news, reviews and features, log on to gadgets360.com.